Hi, how you doing? Hello, everybody. Got my companions right here. A couple of them. Snitch and Tiny Kitten are outside. But I got Billy, Earl, and Ava. You only came in for the treats. He was out there. He came zooming in. Come on, Earl. I know you've been asking. Go fetch. Come here, Ava. You're a good girl. What, you want personal service? Here. Billy. Hey, kiss kiss. Kiss kiss. Billy. Oh no, you won't do it. Billy. Hold on. I dropped that one. Billy. Kiss kiss. Don't be distracted by the dog. You're not gonna do it. I'm just barely balancing it on my lip. I'm not actually. Okay. Kiss kiss. Hey, kiss kiss. See? No. You're not. He's distracted by everything. Can't say I relate. Okay, yes I do. But he used to do it. He used to do that trick. And then, so I started doing it again. And he picked right back up. But there's a lot going on outside right now. Alright. Oh. Now you want attention? Hello, Nana Laura. Hello, Bettina. Hello, Wolf Floor Lover. Hello, Buzzy Pug. Guys, my daughter dragged me into a Walmart because she needed things for her new apartment. And of course, the very first aisle I went to was lampshades. No more yellow glow. Hello, Joey Bacon Donuts. Oh. I forgot that one. Hello, Eileen and Carlin. Yeah. For good this time. I did a 3-hour stream, not yesterday, but the day before. It's a long one. But it was good. It was really, really, really good. Oh. Need me to call you? I can call you. That's not you. Hello, C-Rex. I love you. Hello, Wire Mother. Hello, Jerry Matthew Boyd. I'm so happy to see you. I popped into Oakland this morning. I was not there very long. I was just bushed. I had to go back to bed. My kid broke me. Broke me. Hello, Mortimer Duke. Well, it seemed like all of the defendants wanted to just jump in with no court decorum. None. Just, Your Honor. So it seemed fitting. Hello, Spider-Man. Oh, no. I'm sure it'll turn up eventually. I had to get a new one. Everything went wrong. Oh my gosh. So my van, it has no AC. We already complained about that one, right? And then now the back hatch, the button that you pull to unlatch it, no, there's no tension whatsoever. Like you pull the button and it's just back and forth like that. There's nothing there. And then the seat, the driver's seat, if you try to move it, it just turns. It doesn't actually go forward or backward. It just rotates in place. Not helpful. Not helpful at all. So my daughter and I were discussing the fact that I may have to get a new vehicle. Not excited about that. I'm not happy about that at all. But I'm going to talk to the mechanic tomorrow and have him tell me whether it's more beneficial to repair it with the things that are wrong or trade it in. And he's a good mechanic. I trust him. I absolutely adore him. So we'll be having that conversation tomorrow. I'm not thrilled. And then, yeah, my phone. I had to get a new one. I had to also switch service providers. There was a couple of Verizon guys doing the, flagging down every person that walked past this apartment building, which, was on the main street, and all of the college students, it was move in, move out date. And so, of course they saw me. I parked in a 2-hour parking spot and I paid for the whole 2 hours. And my daughter, her old apartment had stairs, mega stairs. So, and there was zero handicap access whatsoever. Excuse me. So I stayed in the van and I just leaned the seat back and I kind of napped out for, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever. But when I woke up, I startled myself awake. I'm here, I'm in a big city and there's people bustling all around me. So, I kind of lurched forward and I'm looking around and I see the Verizon guys just kind of looking at me. And so, dummy me, I pulled my door handle and I set the panic alarm off, and then everybody was looking at me. And I couldn't get it to go off. I was hitting the panic button on the keys. I finally got it off by hitting lock and unlock. Yeah. Whoopsies. So that happened. That was quite embarrassing. But then I was seen, absolutely seen. who do you have for service, ma'am? And I've been meaning to switch from, I had US Cellular, T-Mobile bought them. I'm not thrilled. And so I've been meaning to go to Verizon anyways. And after an hour and a half of discovering that T-Mobile is not port friendly, and now that US Cellular no longer exists, my phone cannot be unlocked to use it, so I had to get a new phone. But the Verizon guy said he's paying my bill for 3 months, so that makes up for it. I also lost the credit that I had on my T-Mobile account, but again, the 3 months being paid, that makes up for it. And I'll actually have customer service, which prepaid T-Mobile doesn't really have. No, they outsource to a company that sources multiple companies, so they basically have a flow chart that they read when you call in, and they can't really do anything on your account, so it wasn't good. If you don't go into a store, you just don't get helped. Hello, Jen Callum. I'm gonna call you. all of a sudden, your butt cheeks will be vibrating because it's gonna be in the chair, right, stuffed down next to you. Just kind of tip your recliner up. It probably went down in the side of the recliner and then just bloop all the way to the floor. Hello, Otto. Let's see here. I'm scooching fast. All right. Yes. Yes. That was like the one condition of me changing. I've had my number since I was 18. Fresh off the boat, 18. My parents told me I was stupid for getting a contract phone at that time. And it's been my number since. Oh. I think I heard Tiny Kitten. Tiny Kitten! Snitch! I heard a meow. And there's 2 cats currently out. Guess which ones? Bandit is happily moved into the apartment in Madison. So, no more bathroom kitty. I will very, very much miss her. But I know she's going to have a much happier, less anxiety-filled life without having the other 4 cats around. So, as much as it hurts to have to rehome her, I'm so grateful that it's my daughter that has her. And she's already has a really great relationship with my daughter. And my daughter just adores her. So, I'm happy. You're probably not wrong. No, actually, we'll just scan the chip that's in our arm. Hello, Wixom. Welcome. I do miss her. She was my buddy. But I leave the door cracked just a little bit. And, you know, there's always a cat. They come in to protect me. Hello, Jenny Green. All right, guys. Let's get these cases going. They're fun, and I gotta go see if there's a kitty on my deck.
The roll call case of Ellen Pastor versus Crunch Fitness Corporation, 25C 4158.
Good morning, or sorry, good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Eli Pastor. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know if I'm supposed to speak first, but I'm not sure they're even here, so.
You're not here, you're the only person that has shown today, and you scheduled this for a show cause. You, looks like you served Crunch Fitness with this matter, and you're asking for.
Yeah, I can give the whole summary of everything if you're privy to it, but I was not expecting them to come today anyway. I tried to call them and let them know of this hearing multiple times, filed all the paperwork's there, I'm guessing already. So I'm not really sure what to do at this point. Because I
You
filed,
scheduled this for a show cause today, right?
yes.
And so
Yeah.
what, are you asking for a warrant against somebody, or are you asking?
So this was originally in small claims where they might say I need or if you could, can you explain to me the options I do have? I know you can't give legal advice, but procedurally, I attempted to research the law on this, and the only stuff I could come up with was if they didn't show up, that they can be in contempt of court and possibly go to jail, which the reason why I'm in this hearing is I don't want anyone to go to jail over this. This is like a $150 case, and I'm just surprised they haven't showed up. So I guess I'm sorry it's not as efficient as perhaps if an attorney were here, but it would cost more to hire an attorney to handle this versus me just
You say you personally served them, Crunch Fitness, on May 26th, correct?
Yes, this started in small claims. We attempted
Okay,
mediation.
let the show cause at this point. I'm talking about the show cause only. And you served them with the show cause to be present in court today. You served them with that on May 26th, is that correct? Jeffrey Wayne.
Did you say?
Who's Jeffrey Lane? Is that the process server, sir?
It was set for show cause. The only thing I was given was a notice to show up today.
One moment, please. So originally this was scheduled back on May 26th. And then you had a death in the family and you asked that it be moved to a
Yes.
new date. And then the court sent out notice for it to be on July 2nd at 2:00 p.m. And it's been the drafts of she and June to that. All right, so apparently someone from Crunch Fitness actually called and spoke with the clerk, someone representing to be from Crunch Fitness called and spoke with the clerk here. And that was on June 24th, the clerk spoke with the defendant and gave them the new date on the mail and mailed the discovery to them, but that was for the July 2nd date. And then no one appeared on July 2nd before the magistrate, because that was the court date that they were notified of. They failed to appear on that date, so then it was set for a show cause today before this court. So basically, they failed to appear upon order of the court on at least one occasion. You have option today, sir, to decide that you'd like for me to give them one more opportunity, or to request that I issue a warrant.
A warrant.
Okay, yes, those are the options.
I didn't hear the first one. I definitely don't want anybody going to jail or a warrant being
So
issued.
you want me to give them one more opportunity and adjourn this out one court date hearing, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, then what are you doing here? If your options are stop pursuing the case or issue a warrant, and you don't want to issue a warrant, then I guess you stop pursuing your case.
Yes. And will they get that like another notice? Because I'm confused because I called them and let them, I'm very sure they know of this hearing. And I could testify to
I
that.
get all that, but the option is up to you as to in terms of what you want to see happen next. This is what I'm gonna do, because you seem to be kind of unsure. I'm gonna set this for a contempt. I'm gonna schedule a contempt hearing, have you serve them with that notification. You serve them and we're gonna serve them. If they don't show at that point, then you can choose to just stop trying to pursue this money or issue a warrant. That will be your option, okay?
Okay. All right.
So October 1st?
Yeah. Just quick question. When you say warrant, do you mean like a sheriff comes and,
Somebody in jail. Yes, that's what I mean.
okay, well,
It's the principal, I bet. He's suing a gym, fitness place. I bet he's suing for the return of his membership or something. But he doesn't actually have intentions of going through with what the lawsuit entails.
yeah, let's just push back the hearing again. I'll try to call them again and see if they will answer.
All right, I'm gonna schedule this for October 1st, 2026, and that is going to be at 2.
About serving.
No, I can't give you legal advice. And point you to the statute, you're gonna have to look that part up, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Your Honor. Sorry about inefficiencies.
That's okay.
Have a good, am I good to go? All
You are good to go, Mr. Pastor.
right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, very good. We'll send out new notices to the parties. Anything else for the plaintiff?
Not at this time. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, anything else, Ms. Thompson?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome. That's all for today.
Thank you. Hello, did you already do civic?
Hang on, ma'am. Please stay muted until the court calls your case. Next matter is Singh versus Osborne, case number 263362 LT. Is Subik Singh present? Subik Singh?
It's on the screen.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Is Lakiva Osborne present?
No, but I'm her daughter.
Okay, you are Lanaya Monet?
Yeah,
Okay, good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Okay, Mr. Singh, is this a complaint for non-payment of rent?
Non-payment of rent, unauthorized people living in the house, almost 10 to 11 of them. Lots of noises.
So this is a termination of tenancy action?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Ms. When does the lease expire on its terms?
September 30th of this year.
Okay. So, Ms. Monet, you understand the nature of the plaintiff's complaint?
Yeah, I understand, but he knew that we only get paid every 2 weeks when he like gave us the house. But like we're okay with moving and stuff. We just need like time to get our stuff out. Like we're okay with moving out.
Okay, well, we'll set this matter for a second hearing on August the 27th of 2026. That'll be at 2 p.m. and that'll be in person, so the parties will need to appear in court on that date. If Ms. Monet, if you and your mother do not wish to contest the termination of tenancy, I suggest you get in touch with Mr. Singh, return the keys, return possession of the property, and then Mr. Singh would likely be filing a dismissal. Is there a money damages claim also?
I don't doubt that what Mr. Singh has said was an accurate representation to the court. Just based on the level of respect that she showed the court when she decided to just jump in and, hey, Your Honor. Ma'am, that's not how we do things. Have some decorum.
Mr. Singh?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Total of, including court costs, we're looking at $4,258.
Okay, so it wouldn't be dismissed then if they move out because you're still pursuing a money judgment?
That would be after, yes.
Okay, all right, then we'll see both parties back here on August 27th at 2 o'clock. And we'll make a note for the file that Ms. Monet did appear for the initial hearing, that Ms. Osborne did not. Anything else today, Mr. Singh?
Yes, Your Honor. I want these tenants to be free and out as soon as possible. There's a lot of trash they're keeping inside the house. There's lots of violations they're doing.
There's not a lot of trash in the house.
Hang on. We don't talk at the same time. Please stay muted until Mr. Singh is finished. Mr. Singh, I've already set a second hearing date, and that's the soonest date I'm going to be able to give you.
Okay.
So is there anything else?
That's it. There's a bunch of things, but I do respect your order, and we will see you on the
27th at 2 o'clock
2 p.m.
in person.
Thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. All right, Ms. Monet, that is all for today. We'll see you 2 weeks from today at 2 o'clock here in person at the courthouse.
Can I say something first though?
Sure, go ahead.
So there's not trash in the house, but
Okay, so let me just direct you. So this is not the hearing time right now, so I don't need to hear all of the issues about why they think they have the right to terminate your tenancy and why you don't think they do. That would be the purpose of the second hearing. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Anything else today?
No, thank you.
Okay. All right. We'll send out new notices to the parties. Make a note it's in person. That's all for today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. All right. You're welcome. That's all for today.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Next matter is,
Excuse me.
I'm
Excuse
sorry.
me. Have you guys done Stonegate yet? I was given a different Zoom ID and
Another one. Excuse me. Oh, Michigan.
then when I logged into that one, they gave me this one.
Okay, let me just look on the screen. Stonegate. What's
Not
your
to
case?
also-
Do you have a case number?
Yes, 26 03397 LT.
Okay, that was a yes, Stonegate.
Yes, we have that. You just haven't called it.
Oh, I haven't called that one yet. Okay,
It's a Judge Matusko case.
okay, so it's not showing on my, my file screen. Or her file's not on my file
It should
screen.
be.
Okay, well, that one
Because
is
they
not.
have me scheduled with Judge Allen, courtroom Allen.
Your Honor.
Yes, yes, I understand. Thank you. Okay, we'll go ahead and call that matter. Yes, Stonegate, versus, Marlon Williams and Bianca Peterson, case number 263397 LT. Ms. Salem, you are here for the plaintiff?
Your Honor.
Okay, and ma'am, you are, Bianca Peterson?
Yes, and Marlon is here as well.
Oh, Marlon is there as well. Can you turn the camera on?
Yes, I can.
Okay, thank you. All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Salem, what's the nature of the plaintiff's complaint?
Your Honor, this is a non-payment of rent case. The rent to retain is $1,421.90. Court costs are $234.38 for a total of $1,656.28.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Peterson or Mr. Williams, have you applied for assistance with the Department of Health and Human Services?
No, we did not, but we did just make a payment Monday of $750 and plan to make the rest of the payment over the next week, tomorrow, and then next week, Friday.
Okay, all right, well, we'll set this matter out for 2 weeks.
Actually, Miss Judge Matusko's setting up for that date.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry, it'll be set out actually to September 3rd at 2:30. And that'll be in front of Judge Matusko. It'll be a different Zoom number than the one that you're on right now. The court will.
I have a question for you. I have to be at work at 2:30 on the floor, so how would I go about that?
Well, it sounds like you're intending to pay this week. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
So if you're paid in full before the end of the month, then Ms. Salem, you'll be dismissing the case and it won't be necessary to come back. Is that right?
Correct, Your Honor, as long as it is paid in full and funds clear before the end of the month. If, for instance, it was paid on September 1st, then September rent would have already hit the account. And in that case, a dismissal wouldn't occur unless September was also paid.
Okay. So yeah, it'll be paid before September 1st.
Okay, make sure the fund's clear and as long as that's the case, that should not be a problem, but the court only has particular times and dates to schedule these matters. So that's the date it's going to be scheduled. So you might have to take your lunch break from work or something at 2:30 if you can't, if you haven't resolved the matter. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, all right. Anything else for the plaintiff?
The Zoom ID for Judge Matusko, is that going to be Judge Allen's old Zoom ID? Okay,
Yes,
thank you, Your Honor.
you're welcome. Okay, anything else, Ms. Peterson?
No, that's everything.
Okay, anything else, Mr. Williams?
No, that's all.
Okay, we'll send you a new notice and hopefully this is just all paid off before the end of this month and the case will be dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't have any of her files on my file.
Is your
Oh, my filter.
your filter on?
Oh, okay. You have to do that.
Might have to go up to the top and refresh. Yep, the little circle thing with arrow circles. Right there. Yeah.
Okay.
We've got boomers, and apparently now we've got zoomers.
All right. Next matter is Hometown Property Management versus Brown, case number 263412 LT. Is counsel here for the plaintiff?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor, Robert Okonicki, attorney for the plaintiff.
Good afternoon. Is Kayla Brown present? Kayla Brown? All right. person with the hood on, will you please take off your hood? And your name is Nicholas Brown. Are you involved with this property at Hometown Property Management?
I'm with Old Orchard, so I don't believe so.
Okay, all right. So you're a different matter. All right. Okay, you can remute yourself. Thank you. All right, is Kayla Brown present? All right, this matter was scheduled for an initial hearing at 12:45. It's now 1:20. Defendant has failed to appear. Mr. Akadnicki, how is service accomplished in this matter?
Your Honor, I believe we have posted service and a second mailing complete.
Okay. You believe, or you can affirmatively state that to the court?
I can, one moment, I can see. I can affirmatively state to the court those two things. I just confirmed that.
Okay, all right, very well. Then do you have a request for the court?
Yes, Your Honor, at this point, we'd be requesting a default judgment. The amount to retain possession is $2,527.24, $187.63 in court costs. It's a total of $2,714.87. I believe the writ date would be August 24th. There was not a money judgment requested, so no money judgment. And to the best of my knowledge, the property was kept fit for the use intended, and the defendant's not a minor incapacitator in the military service.
Okay, very well. A default judgment is granted as prayed for by the plaintiff. You may submit a judgment to the court for entry, Mr. Akadnicki.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Same to you.
I will submit a proposed order with those terms.
Okay, very well. A default judgment may enter as prayed for by the plaintiff.
Excuse me. I'm sorry
Yeah.
not to interrupt. I just joined. Because
What's your name, ma'am?
Kayla Brown.
Okay, and what's your case number?
2603412.
That was Mr. Akadnicki. You issued a default.
Okay. Well, you were not on the Zoom hearing at the time that the court called the case. The court does allow 15 minutes grace period, and you did not join. But if you want to try and call the plaintiff's lawyer, his name is on the complaint that you received in the case. You can let him know that you appeared late and see if there can be some resolution of the matter. Otherwise, you would need to file a motion to set aside the default judgment that was entered today. Okay?
Alrighty, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Sorry, maybe because I did.
Next matter is the state of Michigan versus Kenneth Wood, file 25-44023-SD, set for probation violation. We have Mr. Wood present today.
I've asked him to start his video and unmute himself.
All right, I do see Mr. Wood is present. Mr. Wood, the probation violation allegations against you are as follows: that you failed to report for the month of June, that you failed to provide proof of substance abuse treatment and failed to complete your work camp days within 120 days, and that you tested positive for alcohol on July 6th of 2026. The recommendation is that you serve up to 5 days in jail at my discretion. Do you understand the nature of the charges that have been made against you?
Yes,
And do you understand the recommendation that's been made against you?
yes,
You have the right to have a hearing on that in front of me. You do not have the right to have a jury trial. At that hearing, you could be represented by an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one could be appointed for you. At the hearing, you'd have the right to see, hear, and question the witnesses. You'd have the right to present your own witnesses and evidence and get a subpoena from the court to require your witnesses to appear and testify. At the hearing, you could also testify, or you could choose to remain silent, and that silence could not be used against you. At the hearing, you'd be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, and that burden of proof would remain with the probation department at all times. Finally, at your hearing, you'd have the right to automatically appeal. Do you understand all of those rights?
yes, I do.
Do you have any questions about any of those rights?
No, I don't.
Do you wish to retain your own attorney, have a court-appointed attorney, or represent yourself?
Represent myself.
You believe that you fully understand what you need to do to represent yourself in this probation violation?
Sir, you may want to rethink this. I don't know that this is your best choice.
Yes.
All right, I'll let you do that. If you wish to have an attorney in the future, simply let us know and we'll consider that at that time. Now that you're representing yourself, do you wish to have a court hearing on these matters, or do you wish to enter a plea?
A plea.
All right. If I can take some testimony from you, would you raise your right hand, please? You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead and put your hand down, sir. Has anybody promised you anything to get you to plead today?
No, sir.
Has anybody threatened you in any way to get you to plead today?
No.
Are you doing this of your own free choice and free will?
Yes, I am.
And do you believe that you understand your trial or hearing rights sufficiently to be able to make a decision about whether to plead today?
Yes.
Do you need any additional time to go talk to an attorney?
No, I don't.
All right. Understanding all of that, is it still your desire to enter a plea today?
Yes, it is.
All right. The first allegation against you then is that you failed to report for probation in the month of June. Is that correct?
I tried to call the next day because I did miss the day. And I did call the next day and leave a message.
Okay, thank you. The next allegation is that you failed to provide proof of substance abuse treatment and you failed to complete your work camp days within the 120 days allotted to you. Is that true?
The work camp, yes. The counseling thing, I sent numerous things and I got texts to prove it, that I tried to get them people to send my probation officer my paperwork or give me a copy so I could take it to them.
Okay,
They
so
just never, they always told me they would do it. I got text saying, thank you for the information. I'll make sure that gets over to them. And then my probation officer texted me and says they don't have that information again.
All right. The last allegation is that you tested positive for alcohol on July the 6th of 2026. Is that true?
Yes, that is true, but it was by accident. It wasn't that I went out and drank.
How do you get alcohol in your system by accident?
Sunday night after work, me and the cook was shooting pool, and I accidentally grabbed his glass and drank it, and I already drank it, so I already downed it, so it was already too late before I could even spit it back up. So I knew I was gonna fail for that, but I didn't intentionally. I'm just letting you know I wasn't intentionally going out to drink.
That's the story you want me to know?
Yeah, I'm not gonna. I wasn't out drinking on purpose.
You're not charged with being out drinking. You're charging with having a drink.
Alcohol,
and
yeah,
having-
because I drank that glass of Pepsi he had that had his alcohol in it. Because when I'm at work, I drink I drink Pepsi in a glass, and I just grabbed it and I drank it. It was too late. It was already in my system. There ain't nothing. I can't spit the drink back out.
I am absolutely positive that the conditions of your bond, as stated to you, were that you are to not enter an establishment that serves alcohol by the glass, unless it's a restaurant. And I know bars have pool tables. I have seen very few restaurants that have a pool table. Maybe it's a thing. Maybe that's where you were, but I'm betting you were in a bar.
It was just a it was a mistake on my behalf of fucking grabbing his drink. It wasn't like I was at the bar drinking with him, is what I'm saying.
Mr. Wood, you're in a court. That's not the language that we use in a court.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I swear? If I did, I didn't mean to.
All right, Ms. Hill, do you have any additional questions for Mr. Wood?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Hill, do you have any additional recommendations other than the 5 days in jail at my discretion?
I would say that he should be released to the work camp to get his days done.
All right. Mr. Wood, do you have anything else that you want to say before I decide what to do?
No, I just made a mistake. I mean, I got a lot on my plate right now. I'm $11,000 behind. My brother just had 7 heart attacks. My mom just got diagnosed with what is it, Alzheimer's or dementia, and I just found out my kids are in foster care. So I've just been going through a lot, and I rent. So if I lose my house as a single father, I lose everything. So I've just been trying to find work and trying to deal with all these court dates, and it's just hard. I'm trying to do what I do. I'm stressed. It's just hard right now.
I would imagine that going to jail would be hard too.
It is hard because if I do that and I have a court date because I'm in court to get custody of my 2 youngest girls, I got a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old, and that court date's coming up. So I'm trying to avoid jail, but I just got a lot on my plate, and not having a driver's license, and being able to depend on people, it's just getting rough. I know I messed up. I know I'm just doing the best I can. I just got a lot of money to pay, or I'm going to go to jail without this. Even if I don't get violated, or if I get violated, I'm still going to go to jail because I owe $11,000 in child support. So it's just I got a lot on my plate.
Mr. Wood, where do you work?
I work for myself, and I've been working at the Frederick Inn. I wait tables. I'm a server. That's been paying my bills, and I don't make that much because I only work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sometimes I don't even work that. So all the money I've been making, I've been putting it out to bills. I don't have money now. I'm broke. Couldn't even take the drug test last week because I don't have the money to pay it, and they don't do an IOU. I don't have $35 to take a piss test.
Mr. Wood?
Yeah.
When you work at the Frederick Inn, do any of the people that you serve ask you how much is on your plate for that day?
No.
Does your boss there ask you how much you have on your plate for that day?
No, I don't. No.
They simply expect you to show up and do a good job, right?
I try, yes.
That's what I expect as well. Everybody has a lot on their plate sooner or later.
Right.
Okay. So I'm not minimizing the fact that you have lots of stuff going on in your life, but that is true of most of the population of this county. That's true of most people in general.
Right.
When you have obligation, such as a probation order, it doesn't matter how much you have on your plate. It doesn't
You have to get it
matter
done.
how busy you are. It doesn't matter how much you owe somebody else. You have an obligation. That means a duty.
Right.
That means you don't get to say, I'm not going to do some of this because I got busy.
Right. I understand that.
Okay. So it's up to you to figure out how to do all of those things. And if you were here in front of me with only one of these things, I might be a little more ready to listen to your excuses, but you've got multiple things that you did not do on probation.
Right. But I was under the standing I'm on probation for a year. So as long as I get it done before my probation's up, then there shouldn't be no problems. I plan on having my fines and paid before I get off probation and stuff. I'm just, like I said, I'm just in a bind right now. I just picked up a shower. I'm in Boyne City right now. I just picked up 5 showers to do in this house, so that'll bring in some money so I can catch up on my bills too.
Mr. Wood, there are time limits on when you do things. You're supposed to report on a monthly basis. You're supposed to get your work camp days done within a time limit. You didn't do those things. You also drank on probation when you're not supposed to drink. And quite frankly, I don't believe you when you tell me that you had an accident by drinking somebody else's Pepsi.
Okay.
I'm just telling you how it is.
And he drove, and he just admitted, you know, he had to go pick up those showers. How'd you get to there, sir? How'd you go get those showers? Can you enlighten the court?
I don't believe that.
All right.
So I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt on some of these things and reduce the time period that you're going to have to go to jail, but you are going to go to jail for violating your probation. I'm going to give you 2 days. When would you like to report? Now or in a few days?
Can I do it Monday morning? They just let me start these shower jobs so it shows that I'm going to be here?
Yep. Monday morning, 9 a.m. Otsego County Jail. 2 days.
I'll be there. I'll be there.
Right.
Nothing instills confidence in a client like, I'm going to work on your shower jobs for the weekend, and then I have to go report to jail for 2 days, but I'll be back on Wednesday. Yeah, that's always a real confidence booster right there.
See you then.
Thank you. And yep, have a good day.
And can I have your name, please? Oh, you're muted.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Christopher Gilmore.
Okay, thank you. All right, now calling case numbers 26S00162 and 26T00074. These are the matters of Christopher Brandon Gilmore. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sorry. Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Nicole Van Blarken with on behalf of Mr. Christopher Gilmore. At this time, Your Honor, we would reserve our bond argument for when it is appropriate.
Okay, thank you. And Attorney Van Blarken, did you have the bond violation report dated July 29th?
Yes, that one I did have, Your Honor. And we were able to discuss that.
Okay.
That was the drug testing one, correct?
So it's the drug testing one, but it also says that on July 26, Mr. Gilmore was taken into custody in the city of Ypsilanti on a new felony home invasion 1st degree.
Which was dismissed 2 days ago.
Yes, Your Honor. It's my understanding that that was reduced to a misdemeanor.
It was dismissed at prelim.
It looks like the felony charges were dropped, and there was another charge that was on there that was dropped to a misdemeanor as of the ROA from yesterday that I can find.
So I will note that the continuing to test positive for THC is a bond violation, and the circumstances surrounding the new charge that in and of itself is a violation as well.
Ma'am, can I talk to you, ma'am?
Mr. Gilmore, if it's about the details of any of the cases, I would not recommend that
No,
at this time.
I just want to let her know I called the cops on this case, and it was some lies brought up on me, but I called the cops on this new charge.
Okay.
And it's on record, everything, ma'am, is in my police report. I called the cops.
Okay.
Self-snitching extraordinaire.
Thank you, Mr. Gilmore.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Attorney Van Blarkum, you may address bond.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, we are requesting a personal recognizance bond or a lower cash bond than what is set currently, as well as we are requesting if you could get the soonest pretrial date to be heard on this. It is my understanding that as attorney of record, Attorney Karma Dedouche, she had called the court this weekend to see if she could get him scheduled for an arraignment either Friday or over the weekend. However, that arraignment wasn't scheduled, and then he wasn't able to get into an arraignment until today. He was on track to possibly have his case set for the final settlement conference on August 28th. That's why we're requesting the soonest pretrial date. Mr. Gilmore has represented to me, that he's living in the area, he's from the area, he's in a flight risk, he will appear at all future court dates. It's my understanding on the felony case, though it has been dropped down to a misdemeanor now, the bond has not yet been changed. There is a bond motion that has been filed, and at this time it is a high bond, so that is why we're asking for either the personal recognizance or a lower cash bond, so that he can get credit for time served and possibly post that if the bond modification is granted.
No, I got a personal bond on the other charge, ma'am.
Oh, you did? I apologize, Mr. Gilmore. On my end, it just shows that the bond is still at 10,000.
Yeah, no, I got a personal bond, man. Just literally. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are keeping the pretrial conference date that's set for August 17th.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. That will be at 9 in the morning in front of Judge Washington. I am adding the bond violation hearing to that pretrial date, so you'll also have the bond violations heard by the judge the same date. At this time, bond in these matters is being continued, as are the conditions. So for the state matter, that would be $10,000, 10% is allowed, and same for the township matter, $10,000, 10% is allowed.
So I got a $2,000 bond, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I address the court, ma'am?
It,
It's not about
you can
the
meet
case or
the
anything.
judge on Monday in regards to these matters. Oh, you are free to go to the door, Mr. Gilmore. Thank you.
Yep, have a blessing, ma'am.
Thank you.
I love that he didn't move until she gave him the look.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good one. Bye. Go, Gilmore.
Okay, and Mr. Davis, good morning. Give me just a moment, please.
Good morning, Judge.
Magistrate, but thank you.
Magistrate, yes, ma'am.
Now calling case number 22S00744. This is the state of Michigan versus Fred Davis Jr. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Nicole Van Blarkum with and on behalf of Mr. Davis. At this time, Your Honor, sorry, got lost in my notes. We would reserve our bond argument. It looks like he was arraigned on this. It was just a few years ago.
Yes, yeah, he was initially arraigned on this back in 2022.
Yeah.
So, all right, and it looks like this warrant issued on December 19th of 2023 after he failed to appear for a pretrial in front of the judge.
Yes, Your Honor. It was my understanding that he was incarcerated at that time.
Okay. It's my understanding that there may be an MDOC hold now.
I did not see that when I looked, Your Honor. When I was speaking with Mr. Davis, he stated he is out on parole. He got out in January of this year. He thought that this case had been taken care of because normally they don't let inmates out on parole when they have these pending cases. So he thought that it had been taken care of, was unaware that there was a warrant or that this charge was kind of out there.
Looking in MDOC, Mr. Davis is showing as absconded from parole as of June 11th.
I did not have any record of that in the materials that I was given, Your Honor.
I will note too, so this is an arraignment for failing to appear for the pretrial, but I should note as well that there are some new pending cases. It looks like out of 14A2, one of the conditions placed upon you, Mr. Davis, is no criminal activity whatsoever. That's no police contact. And so that would be a violation of the terms of your bond here as well. At this time, the court will set a hearing on the bond violation as well as a pretrial conference date. That will be August 20th, 2026. That will be at 9 in the morning in front of Judge Washington. At this time, due to the circumstances of the new pending cases, bond is being continued. That is $10,000 cash or surety.
Case has been taken care of, Your Honor. Harvey Washington, I got sentenced for this charge. Time served. I went to prison and it was time served. I can't believe that they even bringing this back up with my Uncle Gary. So this
Mr.
case
Davis.
is already on the record. Has already been taken care of. Why they don't have it and recirculating it back into the system, I
Mr.
don't
Davis,
know.
we don't have that on our end. It's not in,
I'm
we
just
don't see that
explaining. You
in,
call the judge, that the
I
judge,
understand.
she's a black judge, Washington, and you can see that I got time served. So I don't know why, if I'm just getting out of prison and you think I didn't take care of any of my charges? The only reason I know I was working for Habitat for Humanity in Oklahoma. So I missed my report date. But this right here, case with my Uncle Gary, was been taken care of. I was in Pontiac from Oklahoma jail. I talked to Judge Washington. This case was time served. My uncle wasn't coming here over a tool, a construction tool.
Mr.
that
Davis.
I gotta let the judge know because no one's looking into it.
All right.
Mr. Davis.
And I already got that taken care of. I wouldn't be out on parole with a warrant.
Mr. Davis,
and been out
you're
all
gonna
this time,
see
7
Judge
months, and been taking
Washington.
care of it.
You're going to see Judge Washington next week.
I was hoping I could see her right now. See, now here goes, I'm now getting back in the risk of losing my job again. This is the season I work doing concrete work. And so I got a job that pays me $200 a day. And I know that this is taken care of. Or my agent would have told me, because my agent, I go in there and they run me to make sure I got in no trouble.
Mr. Davis? Okay, Attorney Van Blarkum. So your office can look into this further because it's
Yes.
not resolved on the record right now.
Yes, Your
That is
Honor.
not what we have.
If y'all go
Yes,
look,
we discussed this
sick.
earlier, that the attorney who will be assigned to him will be able to look into this much further for him.
All right, thank you. Okay.
All right, next up is going to be Chastity Inman. Okay. Good afternoon. Are you Miss Inman?
I am.
All right. Miss Inman, do you understand your rights in court today?
I do.
All right. Did you get a copy of the 3 complaints that were filed against you in this matter?
I did.
Did you read them and understand you've been charged with littering, trespass, and prohibited camping?
I do understand.
So the littering is an M3. It's up to 60 days and a $500 fine. The trespass is a 4th degree. That's up to a $250 fine and 30 days in the jail. And the camping is a minor misdemeanor, punished by up to a $150 fine. So do you understand what the charges are?
I do understand what the charges are.
You have a right to have me read them out loud if you wish, but it's not required. Would you like for me to read them?
No, sir.
Alrighty. I actually have the law director here in the courtroom with us. Apparently you are eligible for participation in the prosecutor's home court
Yes.
program. I'm going to turn things over to Mrs. Moore to allow her to fill you in, but before she starts, I'm going to go ahead and ask Officer Riley, can you go ahead and have Bradley Parks and Anna Reffett come forward? Is it Anna Reffett? She's not her, right?
Oh, Preston Rogers.
Okay, I'm sorry. Preston Rogers and Bradley Parks, I'm going to have them come and listen to the information about the home court.
Yes,
sir.
Thank you.
There's Mr. Parks. All right, can you all hear me all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, at this time I'm going to have Law Director Moore go ahead and explain to you what home court actually is and what it entails, and then when it's your turn at the podium, I'll ask if you're interested in participating. Mrs. Moore?
Thank you, Your Honor. Can you all hear me?
Yes,
miss. Okay, so our home court is actually like a diversion-like program where we give you an opportunity to obtain housing, to obtain a sustainable income, and get back on your feet. We do that through court appearances with the judge, in which she will give you bond terms, in which you, things like get your ID, get your birth certificate, things like that. And if you complete the program successfully and you are in sustained housing and with a sustained income, we dismiss your charge and expunge it from your record.
So I'll ask you, Ms. Inman, are you interested in participating in the home court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and Mr. Rogers, how about you?
Yes.
And Mr. Parks, are you interested in participating in home court?
I've already got all the above taken care of, housing on the way.
Okay. Tell you what, Mr. Parks, you can go ahead and have a seat right there where the officer tells you to. Mr. Rogers, I just wanted to make sure you understood, A, your rights in court today, do you?
Huh?
You understand your rights in court today?
Yes, I do, sir.
All right.
Yes, I do.
Did you get copies of the 3 different complaints, the littering, trespass, and camping?
I did.
I don't know if you heard me, but littering, 60 days and a $500 fine. Trespass is 30 days and a $250 fine. Camping is a $150 fine and no jail time. Do you want me to read those into the record?
No, I understand.
Okay,
pretty well.
all righty. Well, given the fact that both of you are interested in participating in the home court program, I'm going to go ahead and transfer your cases to that docket. Mrs. Moore, did you wish to be heard regarding bond?
Well, obviously, Your Honor, I have their interview scheduled for tomorrow.
Okay.
So,
Let's keep them in overnight.
yeah. I'd like
Okay.
to transfer
All right.
over.
So what we're going to do here is, well, do either of you want to say anything about your bonds?
See, I have an ostomy, and the jail doesn't currently have the supplies that I need for my ostomy, so I would beg you to please give me an OR so I can take care of my ostomy tonight.
I don't want to pry or anything, but I don't understand what you're talking about.
I have an ileostomy. That's where I have a pouch attached to me where I go to the restroom.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I understand what you're saying. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And Mr. Rogers, anything you want to say before I set the bonds?
I have high blood pressure, and it hasn't been taken care of since I've been here.
Okay. When did you get arrested?
Friday.
All right. So the law director, their office has scheduled your initial interviews for tomorrow at 1 p.m. What I'm going to do today is
I will be there.
I'm going to go ahead and set bonds in each of the matters at $5,000 cash surety or 10%. My hunch tells me that if you're approved for the program, they're going to cut you loose tomorrow on a recognizance bond. Okay.
Okay, can you explain that to me? I've never been in trouble, so I don't know what that means.
So you can post bond and be released. Your interview, Ms. Inman, is tomorrow at 1 o'clock in the afternoon here at the municipal building at the corner of 4th and Main Street, up on the 4th floor, but you're going to get a copy of this entry telling you where to go and when to be there. You can post the bond and be released.
How do I?
You can post the bond and be released by posting either $5,000 in total, getting a bail bondsman to post on your behalf, or just putting 5 or 10% down of that, which is refundable at the conclusion of your case. But if you don't have that money, rest assured.
We know we don't.
Tomorrow afternoon, they're going to revisit your bonds. Okay, I just want to make sure that you guys are there, that you participate, and we get you back on track. Okay.
Sir, I'll give my 100. I'll give
Yeah, I've never been in trouble before. You know I don't have
Guys,
$5,000.
I
My
can
dad
appreciate that you're going to disagree with my decision, and I wouldn't want to be in there any longer than I had to be either, but that's the decision that I've made today. So I'm going to have you guys go back and have a seat in the other room, and good luck tomorrow.
So then I'll go take care of my ostomy today.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
I believe your work here is done.
Yes, thank you. Appreciate it.
Who's supposed to be next? Next up is going to be Anna Reffitt.
Your Honor, Ms. Reffitt is still in her felony hearing.
Oh, okay, well, we'll skip her and come back. It's a bad reason to not be available. That leaves us with Tammy White. Good afternoon. Are you Miss White?
I am.
Miss White, do you understand your rights in court today?
I do.
And did you receive a copy of the complaint in your case? Yeah.
Yes.
Did you read that?
Yes.
You understand you've been charged with a single count of theft?
Yeah, but I'm a little confused on it.
But we'll get to that part.
Yes, yes.
The offense itself is punishable by up to 180 days in jail and up to a $1,000 fine. You have a right to have me read the complaint into the record. It's the same document that you have, and it's not required, but would you like for me to read it?
No,
How do you want to plead today?
not guilty, please.
All right, what's your current address?
And that's Newark.
Okay. And are you employed?
I am not.
Okay, are you unemployed or do you receive disability benefits or are you retired? What's the story there?
I'm on disability.
What kind of work did you do before you got hurt?
I worked at White's Restaurant as a cook.
Okay, very good. Alrighty.
I was there for 17 years.
All right. And how long have you been receiving benefits?
Since 2006.
Oh, so quite a while.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Miss White, I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. This case is going to be randomly assigned to a judge and set for a trial. You'll be notified through the mail of your next court date. You have the right to hire an attorney of your choosing, but you're also eligible to ask the court to provide a court-appointed counsel. The application form is available at the jail, and so you can get an application there, but since you're going to be released, they're not going to turn it in for you. So the main thing is that needs to be submitted by the end of the week if you're going to want a lawyer for your case, okay?
By the end of the week, okay.
All right. So, do you have any other questions today?
Do not.
Then you may go with the officer. Thank you, Miss White. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Is Ms. Reffitt back yet? Available? Or do I need to yell at Magistrate Land? There she is. Good afternoon, Ms. Reffitt. Do you understand your rights in court?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you've got a number of cases that we have to deal with. So let's back everything up. You do understand your rights in court. You have 3 cases I think you've never been arraigned on. You got a traffic case from December in which you were charged with driving while under a non-compliance suspension, which in your case is in this case I should say anyway, is going to be, there's 1, there's 2. So, okay, that's going to be a 4th degree misdemeanor. Up to 30 days in jail, up to a $250 fine, up to a 1-year license suspension. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Alrighty. Now, you've got a case from February the 7th of this year that you've never been arraigned on, alleging the offense of theft. Did they give you a copy of that complaint?
Yes, sir.
Did you read it?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that's what the charge is and that it's a 1st degree misdemeanor punishable by up to 180 days and a $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to read it into the record? It's not required.
No, sir.
How do you want to plead?
Not guilty.
Not guilty. Okay. Now, the last new case is from Friday, or maybe Saturday. Looks like it's a single count complaint alleging the offense of resisting arrest. Did you get a copy of that?
Yes, sir.
That's an M2. That's up to 90 days and a $750 fine. Again, waive the reading, or do you want me to read it?
You can waive it.
Okay. And do you want to enter a plea of not guilty on this case as well?
Yes, sir.
Am I allowed to speak, Your Honor?
I'm going to give you an opportunity to be heard before I make any decisions regarding your bond, okay? And then the last case you have was assigned to me. It's a theft case. Looks like the warrant went out December 11th. So what we're going to do on that case is I'm simply going to set a new bond. So as I promised, you have an opportunity to make a statement. Now, I wouldn't get into any of the details of any of your pending cases because we're recording this and anything you say could possibly be used in the prosecution of the charge. So without getting into that, what would you like to say about your bond?
So, I have 4 children. My oldest daughter has been at Nationwide Children's Hospital on and off since May, but she was admitted on July 1st for necrosis of the pancreas. And when I spoke to her this morning, she was having a surgery done, and they also found a hole in her colon. I'm her primary guardian that's been dealing with all this. I've been at Children's with her, and I wanted to get all this taken care of as soon as she was out of the hospital. That was my intention. So I wrote you a letter and got everything together. I just wasn't able to send it out. This was Friday. I'm just really concerned for my daughter's health, and I was hoping something could be done so I could hopefully try to get back to her so she can have the surgeries that's needed on the 18th and then figure out what else is going on with her health. I know I was wrong for what I've done. I will come to court and do whatever's needed from here on out because my children need me and I can't keep doing silly stuff like this.
Okay, anything else?
I mean, I am a student still and going to school, but my main focus and goal right now is my daughter and getting her back in health since she's still a teenager.
Well, I'm sorry she's having to deal with that.
Thank you. She did make her doctors aware that I was in jail right now, so I'm not sure. I told her I'd call her later to see what was going on.
So where were you when they arrested you on Saturday?
I was in Newark getting money to go back to the hospital.
Yeah, they said that this says you got arrested at 1250 North 21st Street. Were you at an ATM or something?
Yeah, I was at the Burger King, like on the road. I just left the ATM getting money to go back to Nationwide Children's.
And what did the Common Police Court magistrate set your bond at?
$100,000.
Okay. Well, I'm only going to OR you on the traffic one. You just had a history of failing to appear, and I understand you've got those situations, and I'm sorry that you're having to deal with that. But we also need to get these matters put to bed. So, on the traffic case, it's going to be an OR bond. On the theft from February, that's $5,000 cash surety, 10%. On the theft from the 8th, that's going to be $2,500 cash surety or 10%. And then on my old case, I had set the bond at $5,000 cash or surety only. I'm going to leave it in that amount. The term and condition of all the bonds are that you're not to consume any alcohol or drugs while the cases are pending. You have a lawyer on your original case with me, Mr. Grosshandler. If you want his or another attorney's assistance, you're going to have to fill out a separate application for court-appointed counsel. The new cases, they're not related. I doubt very much they're going to be consolidated, but they may get set at the same time. But either way, it's going to be really important for you to be able to handle all of these at once, and a lawyer will make that a lot easier. Do you have any questions?
Right. So I can get a 10% on 2 of the bonds, only one bond?
Yeah, so if you want to peek behind the curtain, the reason you're not getting a 10% bond on the one that you failed to appear is because you failed to appear. I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt on the new ones by making it 10%. Do you have any other questions today?
So if they family, will they need to go through a bondsman then, since I have the felony one too?
I don't know. That's something that you and your family have to discuss, and then you can take whatever steps are necessary in order to try to secure your release. Any other questions today?
That's it, thank you.
All right, thank you, Ms. Reffitt. Good luck to you and your daughter. Officer Riley, I believe that's everybody for you.
The problem with all of these people who have all of these medical claims is that there's no way to know if any of them are true or not. The girl that has the ileostomy, I mean, she could have changed it the day she got arrested and just be using it as an excuse. We don't know. The judge doesn't know. And the other guy's excuse, I have high blood pressure. We don't know if he's medicated for it or if it's just an excuse. Her? Do I believe her child is in the hospital having surgery? Well, I would really hope she hadn't left her child's side to go do something felonious. Maybe she was just wrong place, wrong time, and the officers got her. But she's right. She needs to stop doing silly stuff, as she called it, and keep herself out of jail if she has children to take care of, especially sick ones. I hope the best for her child, though. I really do. I hope social services gets involved because mama ain't gonna be there, and the kid deserves better.
Yes, sir. That's everybody down here.
All right. You have a good day. I'll see you next week.
Thanks. Have a good week.
All right.
Next matter is 26 CRB 985, State of Ohio versus Eric Foster. Mr. Foster, today's hearing is being recorded. Anything you say can be used against you in the future. You have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, you can make an application for court-appointed attorney. I have complaints here charging you with aggravated trespass, assault, and menacing by stalking. Did you receive a copy of those?
Not guilty. I only have the 2 charges.
You have 2?
Yeah, aggravated trespassing and assault.
Assault, okay. You don't have a third one there?
No.
Okay. Do you want me to read that one to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Do you need me to read the other 2?
No, I've seen those.
Okay. I'll read the third one to you. It states that the Newark Police Department, being duly sworn according to law, states that on or about August 10, 2026, in the city of Newark, Licking County, Ohio, the defendant, Eric Foster, did unlawfully, by engaging in a pattern of conduct, did knowingly cause another person to believe that the offender will cause physical harm to the other person or a family or household member of the other person, or cause mental distress to the other person or a family or household member of the other person, to wit, TS, in violation of Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.211. This offense is commonly known as menacing by stalking. Maximum penalty is 180 days in jail and a $1,000 fine. The other 2 charges have the same maximum possible penalty. Do you have any question about the charges?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. How would you like to plead today?
Not guilty.
Would you like to say anything before I set your bond?
No, I don't have anything to say except I didn't know they were there. I didn't even know she was there. I was going to a friend's house, but and she happened to be there, and there was a guy there with her. But it all got out of control, and I got out of control, and it won't happen again.
Okay. Did you get served with this protection order there in jail?
No, I didn't.
You did not? Okay.
I haven't got a protection order yet.
Okay.
Consider yourself served, sir.
Okay. Do you live on Breton Road still?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. How long have you been living there?
About 8 years.
Okay. You on probation or parole or anything?
No, I'm not. You say am I on? Did you say am I on?
Yeah, post-release control, probation, anything like that?
No, I'm not on.
You're not?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so you're bonded $5,000, cash surety 10%, no contact with J.C. Pender or Tracy Smith, no drugs, no alcohol. You understand that?
You said 5,000?
Yep.
Yes, I understand. No contact. No.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, Goins, can you hear us okay, Goins?
Yes, I can, Your Honor.
Okay. I gotta get back into the calendar. I always have to get out of the calendar and go back to the calendar. So Mr. Goins, is he represented by anybody? Okay, so what do we have? It is driving while license suspended third. Mr. Goins, have you given much thought to contacting DOL or trying to figure out your license situation?
Yeah, I was supposed to do it previous week, but I got sent to a fire. So I was just curious if we could push back another court date till the 21st, and on the 17th, I will have my license all taken care of.
Are you talking about September 21st?
No, the 24th of this month.
Oh, the 24th. Yeah. Mr. Paganelli, it sounds like he thinks he can get a license. Do you want to try August 24th?
Well, normally, Your Honor, this is getting to the point where I'd like to see a bit more progress. It does appear that Mr. Goins is a firefighter, and I am aware of some rather substantial fires going on right now. So certainly, under the circumstances, the state wouldn't object to a bit more time.
So what that means, Mr. Goins, is that any time the state as a party to this has a right to ask for a trial date. Right now, given that you're on fire duty, there's kind of extenuating circumstances. We're going to come back on August 24th at 9:30. It's up to the state how they want to resolve this case. So if you are licensed by then, they may move to go to an infraction, to reduce it to an infraction, but we won't know till we get there.
Mr. Paganelli is just tired of chasing Mr. Goins. Ha ha, ha ha. I can do it too.
Does that make sense the way I said it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. August 24th at 9:30. Now, if you get into trouble, if you're still on fire duty or something, you let us know so we don't issue a warrant for you, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, August 24th at 9:30. We'll see you then.
Thank you guys very much.
Listen to that connection. That's what Braunschweig sounds like when he's...
Yeah.
We've got Mr. Braunschweig here in person, Mr. Paganelli. Come on up. Now, Braunschweig, thanks for coming up this morning. You haven't had time to hire a lawyer yet, have you?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I sold my house and I hired a lawyer. I got it's not 100% complete, but what I did was legal Zoom, and they're in the process of getting me a lawyer. And it should be next time I show up, I'll have a lawyer.
Did you say you sold your house? Is that what you said?
I did.
Man, that's getting rough, Mr. Braunschweig. I'm sorry.
No, that's all right. It's something that needed to happen anyway, so.
You know, and if you
I feel good about it.
If we knew we had a good Zoom connection, I'd be fine with you appearing by Zoom. But the last couple of times you were on, you just kind of froze up.
I didn't mean to.
No, it's not your fault.
I do have Wi-Fi right now, so it's not a problem.
Well, we might try that again. Mr. Paganelli, what are your thoughts on that? It sounds like he's got one of these referral services. I don't know, what did they give you an indication, Mr. Braunschweig, like 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks before you get a lawyer?
Next week we should have one.
Mr. Paganelli, what do you think? You want to come back on the 24th?
That's what I was going to suggest, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Braunschweig, I'm willing to work with you on Zoom one more time, especially if you get a lawyer. If a lawyer files a notice of appearance, we assume they're near a Wi-Fi. So as long as, I just don't want to have to issue a warrant for you again.
I don't want you to have to either, believe me.
No, I'm glad you're making some progress.
It's expensive.
Yeah. All right. Well, you take care of yourself. No new violations of the law. We'll see you on the 24th at 9:30.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
262249 LT Kensington Place versus Trina Bankhead.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark's messenger here. We have a plaintiff.
Trina Bankhead, are you here?
Yes, I am, Judge, Your Honor.
State your name, please.
Trina Bankhead.
Go ahead, counsel.
Judge, in speaking with your clerk earlier, we may have had this, we had this as a bench trial date. I guess I'll say this. This is our fourth hearing on this. This has been adjourned due to assistance. Our first hearing was back on 6/22. We've had 49 days to stay at this point. I spoke with Ms. Bankhead. We weren't able to work on an arrangement. She wants additional time to pay. I don't have the ability to give her an extension. I said it's already been 50 days of stay, so we've already exceeded the court will stay period by 22 days. I'm requesting that a judgment enter at this point.
All right, today's a pretrial date. We'll set it for a bench trial. Ma'am, are you willing to consent to move
Well,
out or no?
Well, I was hoping that we could, I've been making payments, Your Honor, in good faith, which I did email my payments that I have been making to.
You're making payments in good faith? You mean you're paying the money you owe? After you've been dragging the court case out for 50 days now? That's good faith? I think they would think of better faith if you paid your rent on time.
The court, my receipts, I emailed my receipts, and I was just hoping that I could get maybe a legal adjournment. I understand that we've been back and forth, but I did apply for rental assistance, and I was informed by them that they have exhausted their funds until September. But like I said, I've been making payments in good faith, and I was just hoping that we could come up with some type of resolution so I won't be evicted.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have you come back on your bench trial date of August 17th. Ma'am, you have to figure out something between now and next week. You already have a trial date, so we're going to do that. Do you want to be in person or on Zoom?
On Zoom.
Okay. See you at your bench trial on August 17th. We'll enter
Okay,
something
thank
then.
you.
You're welcome. 263096LT Laura Ling versus Stephen Ling.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Justin Vanderbrady on behalf of Laura Ling. Your Honor, I have had an opportunity to speak with Ronald Ling, who is on Zoom. Mr. Ling, you are muted. We did reach a resolution wherein he would leave honor before October 1st, 2026.
You said that was October 1st?
It is, Your Honor. Thank you.
Ling, state your name for the record.
Ron, you have to unmute yourself.
And I have a Stephen Ling as defendant 1.
Yeah. So that was
are you going to default or just do the consent as to Ronald Ling as defendant 2?
I was going to do the consent as to Ronald Ling and all occupants. It's a Scrivener's error. Stephen Ling is not the defendant.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if I would should I amend the complaint or is it suffice?
Probably amend the complaint.
Very well.
Yeah. Okay. Mr. Ling, can you please unmute yourself and state your name for the record?
Oh, I'm trying to get my thing unmuted.
Oh, we can hear you. You are unmuted. Just state your name.
Okay. Ronald Dean Ling.
And it's your understanding that you're going to move out by October 2nd?
Yes, as long as my son sells his house. And
Well, I can't put stipulations on it, sir. Are you
well,
agreeing with Mr. Vanderbrady that you will move out by October 2nd, or they can file for a writ of eviction?
Yeah, because I'm sure my son's house is going to get sold before then, really.
Does Mr. Vanderbrady have your permission to sign this agreement?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Vanderbrady, submit it within 7 days. You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor. And the date was October 1st. You said
yes, October 1st.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. I might have written it wrong. October 1st.
Great to see you, Your Honor. You be well. Take care, everyone.
Nice to see you too.
And I just can't resist. So his name is Ronald D. Ling. And then the ding-a-ling song runs through my head. I can't sing it, but you all know it. Oh, yeah, there we go. See, I'm not the only one. I didn't catch that when I was editing. I would have like put the little clip of it or something. Oh, Ralph Myers. Oh, he's an attorney. I believe. I believe he's an attorney. He was a very energetic fellow. Oh, yeah, he was very animated. Oh, you guys, that was so much fun. Courtus Interruptus a successus. Oh my. Best of luck. Oh, I hope you get someone good. We're still looking for someone to sublet my daughter's old apartment. We had one person. There were 2 units in that apartment complex available. One was the one that my daughter's subletting, and one was owned by the complex. The girl showed up for the appointment that my daughter scheduled with her, and the apartment complex sniped her. Yeah. So, it's still vacant. No, I'm exhausted. I'm sorry. Oh, you guys are awful. I wish I could show the... Okay, so, Chris sent a video, with a really funny, well, great opening is how she worded it. I checked it out. I didn't watch it yet, but I will put the link in Discord. It's from the Law and Crime channel. They're a big channel. And if any of us little guys show their content, it's immediately contested as, copyright, even if we follow fair use law rules. So I'm going to put it in Discord. That way you all can enjoy it. Unfortunately, I can't show it here and now. I'm only familiar with the YMCA. All right, I haven't even been watching body cams. Ooh, gosh. Give me a second. I'm gonna have to take a quick potty break, but oh, this one was fun. All right, guys. I have to take a potty break, and then I'll come back and we'll do a couple body cams, okay? All right. Give me a potty break. I'll be right back. Watch the dog or something. I'll be right back. Ava, entertain your fans. What are you good for? You gotta pay your rent somehow. No, over there. You don't have to, Ava, you don't have to come with me. Come here. Lay down. Lay down. I'll give you some treats. Look, find some treats. We abandoned you guys. Oh. I had an epiphany. I'm a dose behind on my meds. I was so excited to start streaming that I didn't take them. Oh! I crossed another milestone in my coin hunting life. I found both a West Point quarter and a San Francisco Mint quarter. Both very coveted, and they're in near pristine condition. One is a Great Basin Salt River Bay from U.S. Virgin Islands, and the other one is the Bat Quarter, the 2020 Bat Quarter. This is the one that I found that's West Point, and the Salt River Bay is the San Francisco Mint. So I'm pretty stoked about those. I found some pretty nifty standard error coins too, and then just some that I just really like. I like the color, the patina or something that's just not anything worth anything to anyone else. But they're worth something to me. So, yeah. I had a whole jar of coins that were from my grandmother that had a lot of drummer boy quarters, some silver, just a lot of random older coins from my grandma. And the person that my parents were renting the basement out to came home drunk. I had the jar physically in my hands on a Wednesday. Sunday, the jar was gone. And his coat was found in the room where my jar was. And he was blackout drunk from the bar. So, we're pretty sure we know where the coins went. Is Nana sleeping? Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Let me get the Discord link, and then I'll do body cams. Hold on. It's in executive team. No. Yes. Hold on. Okay. This is the Linktree link. And in the Linktree link, oh, sorry. Gotcha. So, oh, thank you, Eileen. Okay, so let me get the direct Discord link. This will be the expires in 7 days Discord link. Oh, wait, no. I'm gonna be smart here. No, it won't be. It'll be the perma Discord link. Dang, I'm opening a lot of tabs. Yes. Okay, got it. Got it. Got it. Paste that. Okay. That's just the Discord link. Good night, Allison, sweetie. All right. And worst case scenario, you can write down that PQJKMXZDUK and type that into Discord. Worst case scenario. All right. Sorry, guys. I'm doing it for you.
Everybody looks like you.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh God.
Okay.
I hate you. Everybody looks like you.
Okay. They just want you out, ma'am.
I don't give a f. So what I gotta do? Take something to go to jail?
No, ma'am.
What I gotta do?
Why do you?
Because f you. That's why.
Okay.
I know I got money in my car.
Central 429. Can you get
I
14
hate
for me
you.
at Wawa?
I hate everything about you Florida bitches.
Okay.
You don't understand that.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. So they
So
just want
what?
you to. They
So
just want
what?
you to go.
I don't
Okay.
give a f what they want, bitch. I have money.
Okay.
They cannot tell me I have to go. I have money.
They can't. Okay. Who's the manager?
Let's clarify money real quick, guys. She has EBT. She don't have money. She has EBT. But to her, that's money.
Ma'am, that's it.
Now, thank you.
What are you doing?
Can I go? They cannot tell me what they want, bitch. I have money.
Okay.
They cannot tell me I have to go. I have money.
They can't. Okay. Who's the manager? Ma'am, that's it.
Now, thank you.
What are you doing?
Can I go?
Put your hands behind your back.
Thank you.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, I do. Please just
What? You're being detained right now.
I know I am, but can you please just grab my... Thank you.
What is your problem, ma'am?
I hate everybody in this state.
409 429. Can I have you come to the Wawa? I got a belligerent person who just broke a wine bottle right in front of me. Okay.
It's just, I dropped it.
Wow, went over out there.
I dropped it, excuse me.
I see, you heard it.
I'm just
Okay.
saying, if I would have grabbed my sandwich and went, it would have been some other shit.
Right. All right, ma'am. Can you tell me why you just did that?
Oops. Oops. I just tell you, oops.
Central 429. I have one female to change.
Can you tell me why you did that? Oops. I dropped it. Oops.
Okay. So what's happening, ma'am?
I dropped it. I didn't, oops.
What do you mean you didn't drop it? I saw you
I
deliberately.
did.
No, you
I
grabbed
did.
it by the neck. I saw you.
How else would you grab a wine bottle by the neck?
You don't grab the wine bottle, bring it up to your shoulder, and then throw it down.
Bring it. Oops. Oops.
Okay.
Oops. I'm sorry. Oops.
Okay.
Oops. I'm sorry. Oops.
Right. Okay. We're going outside. Walk this way. Over here. Yeah, I'll be right back. Hey, get the manager's information and see if you can get video, please.
Video of what? Me trying to play.
Come on.
Oh my.
Have you been drinking tonight, ma'am?
No, I have not.
So why are you acting like this?
Why do you care?
Okay.
Does it matter?
Does what matter?
Does it matter whether I've been drinking or not drinking? Does it matter?
Ma'am, I just saw you grab a bottle of wine.
Does it matter?
I just saw you grab a bottle of wine in
Does it
front
matter?
of me.
But what I'm saying is, does it matter?
Yes, it matters. What's happening? Tell me.
Does it matter? It's Thanksgiving. Thank you.
Stop. Why did you grab a bottle of wine and smash
I
it?
had dropped a bottle.
You didn't drop it. You raised it up to your shoulder.
You Shoulder is here, right?
No, shoulder's up here. You raised it and threw it down on the ground.
You said raise it. Shoulder is not a raise, is it?
Yes, it is. What?
Come on, let's go.
No,
Let's go. If we going to...
She's so drunk, she's confused her shoulders with her knees.
You're not arrested yet. You're detained right now.
Bitch,
Okay?
let's go.
Okay.
Bitch, let's go. You ain't saying shit to me. Let's go.
I don't even know what's your name. Is your ID in here?
No, it's not. F you and everybody that look like you. No,
Okay.
it's not.
What's your name?
Cause it's probably in my pocket.
What
it
is?
This one? Is it this one? If it's not, then it's that one.
409-429. I'm gonna be in the back of wall one in my patrol car.
Put me in a felony. I don't want nothing that I'm a bond out tomorrow. Put me in a felony, bitch. 44 years old. I want a felony.
Central 429. Can I have a copy of white female out of Florida?
Do me a felony.
Okay. Then you're not getting a felony for that.
I want a felony. Charge me with a felony.
It's gonna be a white female out of Florida.
God, I hate you, faggot. What you want to charge
10-4.
me
It's
with?
gonna be.
I went to yeah, that part.
I just saw you. What?
Okay, first of all, I know I have $80+ on there. So when you want to charge me for a $12 sandwich and an $8 salad, $20, I know I got 5 times that on my car. So when you want to go charge me with it, bitch, charge me.
Right, but why did you grab a bottle of wine and smash it?
I didn't. I dropped it. I have cerebral palsy. You understand what I'm saying? I have where my finger. Oops.
Ma'am, I saw you raise it and throw it.
You didn't see me raise nothing. I dropped it. Oops.
Okay. Are you? So you said you haven't been drinking tonight?
I dropped it. I dropped it. Oops. I dropped it. Butterfingers. Oops. I dropped it. Oops. Dude, just take me to jail. Come on. Let's just go. Whatever you want to take me to jail for, let's go. My oldest son is doing life. I don't give a...
Who's your son?
You don't know him.
No, I don't.
You're from Charlotte County, right? You're from Charlotte Shithole County, right?
Do you know what county you're in right now?
Charlotte Shithole County.
Do you know where you're at right now?
Punta Gorda, at the Wawa.
Do you know what today is?
Yes, Thanksgiving motherfucking day. 11/27 you day.
Okay, do you know who the president is?
Fuck you. That's who the president is. Trump, bitch. Suck a dick.
Do you have any thoughts of harming yourself or anybody?
No, I don't. I want to harm you right now. I don't want to harm me. I want to harm you. I hate the police. Bitch, get the fuck off.
Stop.
Get off me!
You're being detained right now.
My dog is going to eat you. I don't even know that dog, but he's going to eat you,
Okay,
dog.
ma'am.
I hate you.
Okay.
Why are y'all coming up in there? I'm going in there to pay for food. Did that cracker tell you I got food on my account?
Ma'am, why do you see like you're so upset about
Because
this?
I hate the police!
Okay, have you been drinking tonight, or are you taking
No,
any
bitch,
drugs or
I hate you.
anything?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
So you're just this upset for no reason?
Because my son has a life sentence for 50 years. That's why Tasha is so upset on Thanksgiving.
Okay. I was in there trying to get her to leave. Manager wanted to leave. She gets up, takes a wine bottle, slams it on the ground,
Because
and
I
breaks
go to order a sandwich and go to get a salad?
it. Uh-huh.
How are you going to order me to leave because I go to get
I wasn't
a
ordering
sandwich?
you. I was asking
Yes,
you to leave.
you did. For what?
I was asking
For what?
you to leave
For what?
because an employee asked me for you to leave. Okay.
Because I'm ordering a sandwich and a salad. Fuck you. That's what it. Right there, bitch. You don't see the license? No.
Oh.
No, I don't know nobody here. I don't know nobody. You don't know me here. Get off me.
Stop.
Hey, stop.
The name's right
I don't
here.
know nobody. I don't know nobody. There's my license, bitch.
Yeah, and
There's
the boy
my
come up,
license,
asked,
bitch. I don't know
asked
nobody
if I can
here.
get her to
I
leave. He didn't ask her to be
From
trespassed
here.
or anything. I was
I
talking
just
to her.
get-
She was
come on,
asking how
take
she can
me
get
to
arrested
CSU
and all
or
that.
to
I was like,
jail,
I don't want to
come
arrest you
on.
tonight. He just wants you to leave.
Okay.
She walks
you
over
did it.
to a wine rack, takes a bottle, slams it on the ground,
I
breaks it
don't
right
slam
next
it.
to
I dropped it. Oops. Oh my God.
And Gonzalez is inside, trying to get video and talk to the.
Video
Yes.
or nothing.
I was on my
Video
camera.
Shit. You was on your lunch break, bitch. And suck a dick in a sausage. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Just like, what? Just like, what? Clark County. Bitch, you ain't worrying me with your little drop top shit and what you just dropped out of your what?
So, criminal mischief, theft.
Trespass after warning. I don't want to
They didn't want her
trespass or
trespass,
nothing.
though.
They ain't trespassing. I just want to leave. Just
Okay.
take me to CSU and go on. Come on, let's
I asked her.
Just take me to the jail. Take me to CSU. Pick one.
What's going on? Is there more going on than what I'm seeing?
Oh, they say I'm drunker than the bitch. Come on, let's go.
Well, you said you haven't been drinking tonight.
I
to me
have
when I asked.
not. I don't do shit. I came in here for a sandwich and a salad.
Where do you live?
It doesn't matter where I live. Do you see that cart right there? That means I don't live nowhere.
Grab her on that side, Tripod.
Grab whoever. Bro, I don't have shit ever.
Nobody ever said that. Trinity? Yes, sir. I'm looking for Trinity.
Yeah, what's up?
Awesome.
I'll be right there.
So you were the one that asked me originally to have her escorted out, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't think that was gonna happen.
Yeah. Do you have an ID on you or anything?
Yeah.
Did you deal with her or anything?
Yeah. Let me just throw this bucket over here right quick.
So I need to get a sworn statement from you real quick, okay? I got you. So, did the manager ask you to have her leave, or?
No, last night we had a similar, not that bad, but we also had a drunk guy in here that was just causing a scene, and the manager on shift last night had asked me. There's also you guys really are just here at great times. There was also a cop in here last night, and they had asked me to just have the cop come over and ask them to leave. She was already causing a scene. I was going towards my manager. I saw you walk past. I was like, hey man, do you mind? Like, just go over there and go to the scare factor or something.
Gotcha. Yeah, so prior to taking this sworn statement, can I have you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear to affirm that the statement you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
Alrighty. So, can you go ahead and give me like a timeline?
He had a huge line. I walked up.
So, if the cops just happen to always be there at the right times, is it just that the cops are that good, or is it just that you have drunks in there that frequently? I mean, just...
Over, there was a salad sitting there. I said, hey, what's this? He said, there's a lady. She doesn't really know what she's doing. I think she might be drunk. I was like, okay.
Mm-hmm.
She walked back around from the kiosks and grabbed her salad and put down a piece of paper. She was like, just these two things. I scanned them. She was trying to play with EBT food stamps, and the sub sandwich that she was trying to get was a toasted sandwich. You can't pay for hot food with food stamps. So it rang up to like, I don't even know, 12, 16 bucks or something like that. And she paid for it, and it was a remaining balance at $8.99. I told her that. She was like, no, just take it off then. When I took it off, you have to remove the entire tender before you can take off the item. So I did that. It put the money back on the card, and then when I took off the sandwich, she still owed the balance for the salad. So now she had to swipe her card again, and it was $6.99. And then she swiped her card too fast and it didn't go through. So then I asked her one more time to swipe it again, and that's when she kind of started getting irate. She told me that we were trying to steal $40 from her for a salad and kind of just like cause issues. At that point, Jesse tried to get her to go over to his register because I thought maybe my machine wasn't working or like it froze up. And then I let him handle it, and I walked away. I was outside when they told me that there was a mess to come clean up and there was a bottle on the floor. So I missed that end interaction, but I was there for like her getting upset initially.
Okay. So throughout that time, was she being polite, or did she seem belligerent? Was she acting out? Was
Belligerent for sure. She walked up and I asked her how her turkey day was going, and she was like, horrible. I didn't make mac and cheese, and you guys don't have mac and cheese. That's all I came here for. And I was like, oh, I'm sorry. Like,
So she was kind of rude right off the bat?
Rude, maybe just like not having a good day. I wouldn't say that she was like disrespectful or anything, or like coming at me or anything. She was just like irritated with the situation, and then I was just trying to make nice conversation, and she didn't.
This kid is way too freaking nice. He gets Wawa Employee of the Month. He didn't even get to see her smash the bottle. He missed that entertainment, and yet, who has to mop it up? Him.
Not want to do that, and then the car thing happened. She told me to take the money off, and she just got more irritated.
So none of those cameras work? Would Chris know? Chris, do you know if any of those cameras work up there that might have seen it?
They work, but I was with another officer. They literally stopped like right here, so you just see like the bottle just shatter. I could show you again. Real
Yes,
quick.
please. Like, also, how much is one of those bottles?
$10.49.
$10.49. And would you like to press charges against her?
I don't know if I should.
Well, I mean, I saw it happen, so it's nonetheless, I saw her do it deliberately to.
Okay, then yes. Grown adult. I'm fucking not gonna do it. Our cameras suck. Being right honest with you, like you just see like the bottle hit the ground.
Gotcha. Are there any other views, like from the other side of the store, maybe?
Unfortunately, not.
All right, no problem. Excuse me real quick.
She's lucky she only picked like an $11 bottle of wine. Hey, Squishy. How you doing? We were talking about you earlier. Were your ears ringing? We were all wishing you well. At least she didn't get down and start licking it. I know, it's Thanksgiving after all. And the cops locked her son up, and that's why she hates them. Alright, let me see. Hold on. I can't search for videos with you guys on screen. Yeah, no. I've learned my lesson on that. Ooh, Body Cam Ninja's always good.
On August 3rd.
All right.
On August 31st, 2025, officers responded to a hotel after a disruptive guest tried to fight her DoorDash driver and the hotel manager.
There we go.
What's going on?
I want her off the property.
Huh?
I'm the front desk, and I want her off the property.
All right, go over here.
She's no longer.
Go over here.
She's
Go over here.
She's no longer. A female was causing problems. I treat it as aggressive or.
Can you just go over there, please? I gotta keep you guys separated, right? What's going on?
No, it's me.
All right.
So I'm going down.
Here, we'll go over here. We'll go over here.
Listen,
Come here.
Rabbi, you touched my fucking face in that mansion.
Hold on. Stop. Come here. Right. All right.
Listen.
All right. What's
I
up?
have no reason to lie to this lady.
Okay.
That's not her too. It's
Okay,
not
all right.
everybody. It's
No,
not
you're
nothing.
good. Cool.
I asked her to stop cussing in the lobby in front of my guests. She continued. She chased the DoorDash man outside, continuous to be loud and
Okay.
just like she is right now. So I want her off the property. She's no longer.
What causes it? The room disagreement? Like,
No, her being disrespectful. She keeps claiming I'm intoxicated. Bitch, I only had one drink all night. I ordered Buzz Balls.
So
I'm
wait,
trying to get intoxicated.
what was your interaction to,
I'm trying to get the Buzz Balls, right?
Yeah.
So the DoorDash is giving me the thing,
Okay.
but he's telling me he can't come upstairs.
Okay. He's got to go to the lobby.
I stay on the first floor. Why can't you come on the first floor, right?
The DoorDash
So
guy?
the DoorDash guy.
Because it's their
So
policy.
look, no, it's not their policy.
Okay.
I use the DoorDash. They
Okay.
can come in your house.
Okay.
It's not their policy. I use
Okay.
the DoorDash.
Okay.
So I said, because I have my child.
Okay.
I said, like, can you come to the door? Because, I said the first floor.
Okay.
You feel me? Can you come to the first floor? And he like, well, something. So when I get to the first floor and I see that it's a man, I said, well, this is not even the person who I talked to on the phone.
Okay.
So when I said that, here she go. Well, if this is not what you you can leave.
Okay.
I said, ma'am, how can I leave if I'm just trying to get my DoorDash order? That's literally what the I seen it.
Yeah.
And then she like, oh, you're intoxicated. You can leave. You can leave. You can leave. First off, I stay all the way in Euclid.
Well, unfortunately.
And I have my child.
Yeah.
So it's not like I'm causing a disturbance.
No, I get it.
I didn't do anything to this hoe or nothing.
Yep.
Didn't call her out her name. She all in my face.
Whoa.
I'm sorry.
Stop. Don't
I'm
fucking
sorry.
do that. Yeah, back. Stop.
Exactly.
Stop.
And that's what she did.
No. Stop.
And that's what she did.
Time out. Don't fucking do that. You
I'm
understand?
sorry.
I'll
And that's
let
how
you-
I feel.
Okay.
And that's how I
Okay.
feel.
Well, now I'm starting to understand her view
No,
from this.
but
Okay.
if you're coming to
No.
me and you're in my head like
Sure,
this,
I get
how
that,
the
but don't
fuck-
do that to me. Do you
I'm
understand?
not.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
But how the fuck am I
Okay.
supposed to feel?
I get it. Okay.
And then you're sitting up
But
here
you need to
telling
be- you need to
me
be
that
calm.
I'm intoxicated.
You need to be
I
calm.
was calm. I'm the one that called.
Ma'am, no one cares how you feel. I guarantee you were causing a disturbance. Because even at your calmest, you're disturbing.
Called the police.
Sure. Anything physical?
She put her hand in my face.
Okay.
I'm not upset.
So here's the
I'm
deal.
trying to go back to my room, bitch. I was
I don't
trying
think-
to get buzzed.
I don't think that's gonna happen. She wants to
not.
go on. I don't think that's gonna happen. So this is the only thing that kind
And
of
then
sucks.
it's like,
So here's, I'm just gonna explain. No.
I have my child. I don't have nowhere to go. I don't drive.
Yeah.
I
So
don't do
it-
anything.
so
So,
I get
if I
that.
get put out tonight, I'm getting put out to the streets.
But you're something.
And it's not
you're-
like I
something
did
you're not
anything
understanding.
wrong.
Something you're
If
not
I'm
understanding.
going to get my DoorDash, what do you have to do
You're a
with my
guest.
DoorDash?
You're a guest in their house. If they want you going, you
but
gotta
look,
go.
babe.
No. But I'm
No,
serious.
but
Like
listen,
we can't
I
do
get
anything
that.
about it.
I get that, but it's like, if
Yeah.
I'm going, I should have some type of rights. I should have some type of
Sure.
something. If I'm going to get my DoorDash, which is not illegal, for me to get my DoorDash, that should not be a problem. For
Squatters'
me
rights.
to say, hey, this is not who I talked to on the phone, which it wasn't.
Sure.
I talked to a lady on the phone. And when I went to the lobby, it was a man. You can look on the cameras, I saw that.
Sure.
So what does you have to do with this conversation? I wasn't being belligerent. I'm not drunk or nothing.
Sure.
I'm trying to get drunk, bitch. I ordered Buzz Balls.
Yeah. So look,
So it's like,
here's the
you
deal.
doing all
I
this
agree.
extra
I agree
shit.
with the DoorDash
I
stuff.
just feel like I should have some type of rights. I don't feel like I
All right.
have no type
All
of
right.
rights.
So I'm
like,
just gonna explain. All right. So I listen to everything you
what's
said.
my rights?
I agree with your
Because I
whole.
don't feel like you listen
Hold on.
to my rights.
So
because
I
basically
no.
in the
There's
end,
there's
you're
no
saying
rights.
she
This
wants
is
you out there.
this is because
That's
this
what
is
you
the
gotta do
issue.
with your
Yeah.
kid.
This is the issue, right? I could agree with you, right?
Like, what the
But at the end of the day, it's private property. They have the right to reserve whoever they want to sell to and whoever they want to kick off the property.
So basically, I'm kicked
Well,
off.
I don't know. We're gonna see what she wants to do. So I'm gonna tell her exactly what you told me. Like it's you and your kid.
But she
You really-
already
hold
knew
on.
that.
Could you not just listen sometimes? I heard
No,
everything you said. Okay, well,
Because
just
that's
listen.
my problem. I have to have the
I
last
get
word.
it. I see that. There's no first word or last word.
And
It's
I
just
know.
listen real
And I'm
quick,
still
and
starting
then
to
I'll
get to
give you
that.
the last word because I don't need to have the last word. But I just want you to listen to this. We're gonna go and see what she wants to
Can you
do.
just talk to her because
Jesus
what's she
Christ.
saying?
She's kicking you guys out. Yeah, I need your ID, ma'am. Ma'am. Why? Guys, don't turn up. It's gonna get real bad for you guys.
You gonna take me to jail if I don't give you my ID?
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
we got yours.
I know my rights. So
They
if
don't
wanna
want you to
in,
come back to their hotel.
That's
so
fine,
we-
and I'm leaving.
Who
Got you.
rented the room?
He did.
That's fine, got you. And when I catch a ride and I get ready to go, that's when I'm leaving. Okay, we gotta get out. I get it. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
But right
Thank
now,
you.
you gotta let me
Thank
talk, okay?
We
Right
get
now,
it. We gotta get out.
right now, it's an issue with the hotel. If you continue to stay here, it's gonna be criminal
Really?
trespass.
Do you see us leaving? We
Okay.
can't just
And then
hey.
I just need your ID.
Okay. What do you need my ID for if I get out this? I'm not getting shit.
Oh, that cop has balls of steel. He didn't even flinch. She was charging at him like a rabid bear. And he just didn't even move. Like he was so ready for her to just, head right to the gut and he'd have taken it. She'd have bounced off of him. Man, watch her.
If you continue to stay here, it's going to be criminal trespass.
Do you see us leaving? We can't just pay.
I just need your ID.
Okay.
Did you?
What do you need my ID for if I sit down here? I'm not giving you shit.
We have to docs if you want to keep going.
If you don't want to give us your ID and you want to continue yelling, you are being disorderly, and you could go to jail
Stop
for that.
talking to me.
I need your ID, and then we'll leave.
You said he don't want my ID, so he don't come back, so I don't orderly conduct. I'm not coming back.
We have to give you your warrant for
That's
trespass.
what you said you need my ID for. It's not mandatory.
It's time.
It's not mandatory.
DOC and stuff.
What? It's not mandatory.
You're under arrest.
Radio, what was the room number again?
It's okay, buddy.
It's mandatory.
It's okay, buddy.
118.
It didn't have to be this way.
Do we have her ID?
But don't get in my ID and I don't.
You're gonna sit in jail until we ID you. Don't gotta do this. We didn't want to.
We didn't want
Yeah,
to.
we didn't want to.
Go, man.
Listen, I just came home today with them. You know, I'm supposed to be
Okay, my ID right there. My
It's too
son
late for
is
that now.
crying.
It's too late for that now.
Where's your ID?
Okay, I'm not getting my ID is right
You're
there.
right. Don't, babe, don't.
Don't break my. So it's going to break my arm.
No, just go.
Hey,
Just
boss.
go.
Is it going to break my arm?
Because you're
This is going to break my arm.
Just go, man. Just walk with him.
I'm not walking nowhere.
What are you doing? Girl.
33 radio. We have a female in custody.
Meg, get your shit.
Actually,
Hey!
we're gonna switch our grip. There we go. No, keep it. Keep it.
Oh, you toddler.
Look clear. It's okay. So just carry this. It's
She's
okay.
gonna ask to call mommy
Put your step
next.
on my feet.
I don't
And you
care.
gonna pull my hair.
Yeah.
So that's treating me very inhumane.
80.
It's all.
Okay.
We're gonna drag. I'm gonna carry you like a baby.
So you're gonna drag me?
I know. I'm
So
gonna
you're
carry
gonna
you like a
drag me?
baby.
So you're gonna drag me? So are you gonna
I'm
drag
just gonna
me?
carry you like a baby.
So are you gonna drag me? I'm very confused. So are you gonna drag me?
She was gonna teach that to them anyways.
Are you going to drag me? I'm very confused.
You're acting like a dead weight.
Yeah, just loop around.
I'm very confused.
Hang on.
You're just gonna grab her feet.
So are you gonna drag me? I'm dead
I don't know.
ass confused. I'm dead ass confused.
Okay.
I'm dead ass confused.
Okay.
All this because I went to go get my DoorDash order.
You can probably go the
All
other way.
this because I went to go get my DoorDash order.
That way, because
Like, what's the charge?
Walk.
What's the charge? What's the charge?
Back it off. Come on. Disorderly conduct.
60?
That's Kaya, 25-year-old female. Check the
you do that in front of your kid.
How you gonna do this in front of my kids? What she's talking about? I went to go get a DoorDash order. The f- and I'm getting leaving that handcuffs.
So you do have the right to remain silent.
Hell
Anything you
yeah.
say, you will be used for law.
Is that after I'm arrested or
Yep.
before I'm arrested?
No.
Niggas, you read your rights. Before or after?
Hey guys, don't ever be this.
Before or after?
Didn't have to be like this.
Before or after? You read them your rights. Fuck.
Yeah, go ahead and just let them know.
I just make sure I break the bones so I can let the sue y'all bum ass niggas. Y'all see this shit? All because I DoorDash. All because I DoorDash. Don't DoorDash in this f***ing hotel.
Yes, that's the reason why.
Don't DoorDash in this f***ing hotel. Don't DoorDash.
Pull a car. There's a car right there.
The fuck? Y'all don't want me to tell the truth? I want a motherfucker get to talking. Y'all don't want him to talk. Don't DoorDash in this bitch. Don't DoorDash. They take y'all to jail for doing the DoorDash order. Fuck. And pull your fucking camera.
Right.
You want to do a fucking DoorDash order.
Right.
Pretty ass nigga.
Watch your head.
Do we get an ID?
No. Oh, no. Is that what he called? That was her.
I don't know. In here.
No, it couldn't be.
All right.
Not mine.
I heard. I'm talking about you gave me a drink. You go back outside.
Hey, real quick, man. Hey, so do you have a warrant out of Mayfield? You said I do? Yeah, I got it. I'm sorry, buddy. I need you to stay here though, Daddy, okay? I know.
I just got out yesterday from jail.
Okay, so they say you have a warrant. I let them know you have the little one. They're probably not going to take you, but we do have to. I have to wait with you until to hear what they say. If they want you, I can't tell them no. So, but I don't think it's going to happen because you got a little one.
This is just a trap.
Opposites attract. Look at this guy. He's like manning up. Cop tells him he's got a warrant. He's like, okay. You know, he's not acting a fool in front of his children. I think his partner needs to take some lessons. How does he put up with that?
Traffic ticket.
Yeah.
I just came home yesterday from prison.
There's a bunch of violent tendencies and cautions on here. And it looks like he just released from prison yesterday. The warrant is just for speed and expired plates. But his cautions are for attempted murder, felonious assault. You can advise on Mayfield's warrant.
Holy cows! How is he acting so cool? I guess this is their celebration for him being home out of prison? Oh my. Wow.
All right, thank you. They don't want you, man. So
You're welcome.
Just call them and get it taken care of, all right? We got to book her, process everything, and then she should get a bond and get right out. She'll get a court date, okay?
All right.
So we'll probably see you shortly, all right, man?
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest.
Oh my. That was insane. All right, guys. One more 15 minutes and 9 seconds, and then I'm going to bed.
On October 25th, 2025, officers were called to the airport after a woman became aggressive with airline employees after missing her flight.
Just this time.
Yes, I am. I'm waiting on a flight.
What's the issue with her?
But you guys are done with her, right? Yeah. I just want to make No, I have not been refunded. Okay, so you're not flying. Are you guys going to refund? Okay, so you missed your flight, they're not refunding, and you got to exit. That was helping. She was helping me. You don't want to help me no more?
You said you wanted the authorities because nobody could take.
No, I said she cannot help me no more because she being weird.
Well, they're gonna help you, okay?
You don't want to help me?
Now you gotta exit. Yeah, we're gonna escort you out.
Exit where?
Are you from here?
No, I need to catch a
What city you from? You with her? Come on this side. Where y'all from?
Okay. But she's going to.
Where's she from?
Alabama.
All right, she's drunk. You good? They're not gonna let her fly under no circumstance. So here what I need you to do. We don't want no problems.
Yes.
Obviously, when people are intoxicated, they're unpredictable. Try to get through to her, assist us, and we're gonna walk her out. But what I need, she's drunk.
Yeah.
So we can't just leave her by herself.
Right.
Did you come here with anybody?
No, we're together. And it's just us two.
What time's your flight?
My flight is at 10. Hers was at 8:40.
Are you willing to stay with her? Because she's going to be by herself, and we can't leave her by herself. And I don't want to take her to jail for public intoxication. She's fine now. But if she starts turning up, you know what I mean? You leave us no choice.
They gotta put me on a flight.
No, we can't. It's not going to happen. I'm not going to allow you. No airline is going to allow you to fly in the state that you're in.
So where I go?
All right? You're going to have to sober up. Nobody's going to let you book a flight. So when you're going to fly, try not to drink or limit your drinks before you get on a flight. And or a combination with medication.
I'm sober.
No, you're not. You're not. They're not going to let you fly like that.
Like what?
In the state that you're in.
What is it like?
You're not. You'll understand. She'll explain it to you.
You want some food? Let's go eat.
Come on.
Come on. You better walk us where?
We gotta walk.
Walk us out?
Her flight's in 20 minutes. So
What time your flight?
9:40.
Yeah, she's not gonna make it.
I was telling her that we can't
going on
leave
a
you
flight
alone.
with her.
No, it's not gonna happen. Just get the flight out of your head for tonight. Not gonna happen.
Hey, is there a way you can come get Agent just for tonight? Or for a couple hours? Come on, that's it. No, ma'am. Can you come get Agent for a couple hours? Couple hours? Girl, in a new flight. She missed her flight, and the officer was telling us that she needs to sober up before she book another flight.
We're trying to get you in a safe place first.
I'm
then we'll get to the
safe
flight.
here.
No, but we
I'm
gotta
sorry,
have you
what's your
leave here.
Huh?
We gotta have you leave here, and we can't
Okay.
stay with you all night. You understand?
What's wrong with me?
You'll get it. She'll tell you tomorrow. She'll tell you tomorrow.
Come on, I'll walk you to the
All right.
let's go to the front.
If you exit, you're not gonna make your flight.
Yeah, we'll let her go to the tip and let her turn around.
Man.
And we'll
Don't
take
worry
her.
about it.
So,
Asia.
can we confirm that guy's gonna come get her? Can we confirm that guy's gonna come get her?
No.
Let me know for sure that he's gonna come get her.
He not. He
And let's-
said I need to get on the plane.
All right, and let's see how long it's gonna take him to get here.
You're not getting on that flight, girl.
Lucy, go. I'm not gonna leave until I know you're okay. I'm not going home until I get a flight.
Listen,
So y'all gonna drag me?
we don't want to do that. Do we look like
You
we
gonna
want
have
to
to
do that?
do it. You gonna have to do it.
That's not cool. That ain't cool. We ain't gonna do that. You just gotta not drink before you come to the airport, okay?
I didn't come to the airport drunk.
You are drunk. Okay? But we're not
No,
gonna go back and
I'm trying
forth.
to make my flight.
I know, but you're not.
The flight's already gone.
It's already gone.
Exactly.
So let's move forward. We want to get you on a new flight.
So how do we get a flight that I can get on?
You gotta rebook.
Okay, well, I'm gonna book it.
You have to book it.
Exactly.
Spirit refunded you.
No, they did not.
Listen, she had a non-refundable ticket.
They didn't refund me.
She had a non-refundable ticket.
Oh,
They didn't
non-refundable? Okay. So then you lost your money for that ticket, so you have to find a new flight. It just is what
That's
it
what
is.
I'm doing.
All right, but we cannot let you stay back here drunk. You have to leave
I'm not
this
drunk.
area. Listen, she's gonna help you. Listen to her. If you take
I'm
the route,
listening to her.
Okay, so please do what we ask you to do.
Okay, well,
Because
drag
the
me
own-
out of here.
No,
How it work?
We're not gonna do that. We don't want to do that. Don't make us do that, please. I'm asking you, please don't make us do that. All right?
And if I can't find another flight, then you're gonna have to drag me out of here. That's what you're gonna have to do.
No,
Do it.
No, we're not gonna do that.
Do it.
We don't want to do that.
I don't have no other option. That was my only flight.
When we drag you out of here, you understand you're going to jail? We don't want to take you to jail. That's what's going to end up happening. In the morning, you're going to regret that. That's not what we want to do. We would rather
Why do y'all
somebody,
have to take me to jail?
because you're refusing to do what we're asking you to do. But that's not what that's not our goal.
Well, what you asked me to do? What you
Huh?
asked me to do?
All right, so come with us. Come on. We're going to walk. Somebody's going to pick you up. I promise you, you're going to get home. It's just not going to be right now. All right, so come with us, sweetie. All right? I promise you, everything's going to be okay in a few hours.
Look, there's a flight tomorrow morning on Spirit at 9 in the morning.
I don't want to go to fucking Spirit.
I'm trying to help you out. Why you cursing?
Cause why the fuck would I want to go to Spirit?
Listen, slow down. Slow down. We're trying to help you. Be respectful, all right? We're trying to help you out. Call dude. Tell him to meet us upper level terminal 4. See if
Respect went with the last flight. It boarded without her.
if he's on the way.
How do I get on the...
Come with us. Come on.
You got my phone, Lucy? Can I get my phone?
Medium, olive green, foot bag, case right.
You all right?
Somebody say something on your phone.
No, ain't my phone. Come on. We almost there. Come on, let's go.
He's being a good cop.
You checking on me, I'm checking on you.
I appreciate it.
I would say 10:50.
10:50?
Yeah, I can walk.
You go. Come on. We trying out there, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, don't go down them steps. Whoa. You gonna bust your head open. No, we're gonna stay upstairs. Cause you gonna bust your head open, sweetie. Come on. Come on. I don't want you to get hurt. All right, come this way. Okay?
Why are you touching
Because
me?
I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Don't touch me.
All right, good. All right. I don't want you to bust your head open either.
Okay.
All right, so just go that way. Go that way. Go that way.
For what?
Because we're gonna go outside and she's gonna wait with you.
No, she didn't catch the plane.
Yeah, she got time. Come on, we almost there. Like we almost out of your face. All you gotta do is just walk these last few steps and we gone. All right, so come on, let's go.
Well, I can't walk down the stairs.
Nah, that's not a good idea.
Why?
Listen, man, I'm not gonna keep saying the same thing over again. All right, just listen to us. Let's walk outside. She's gonna stay with you.
You gotta get me out of the airport.
You're gonna be right outside.
You gotta get me out of the airport?
Yep. Trying to get you to your ride. Trying to get you to your ride. And we're trying to be nice. Thank you.
I gotta leave.
To the right, sweetie. Hey, where you going? To the right. No. Listen, to the right. You're almost there. Please,
Stop.
just listen to us. Come on.
Don't do that, bro.
All right, just come over here. We're trying.
Don't do that.
Okay, I'm trying to help you. Please, we're almost over. It's almost over with. Just go this way. Come on. Yeah, it's like you're pushing us into a corner. You almost there. You almost there. Yeah, please don't do that. It's not gonna work the way you want it to work. But you're not gonna wait here. All right, this is not yet. Just come over here. You're almost there. Just walk right there and you're done. All right, you understand? But you're gonna put yourself in a position where
don't grab me no more.
Okay, I'm trying to help you.
Right.
She can't do it. She can't do it, officer. You're giving her an out, and she can't take it. Don't disrespect her.
But before you grab me, you gotta tell me you can't grab me, right?
I'm gonna grab you. I'm gonna guide you. I'm gonna guide you to where you sit down.
Why?
And we leave because you need to chill for your ride to come pick you up.
I'm chill.
Okay, but you can't chill here.
This is where the ride comes.
No, but you can't chill here. You understand?
Come on, let's go on the sidewalk.
So come on, let's go. Let's go on the sidewalk.
Why?
You want us to take you to jail?
Kinda.
No, you don't. Keep walking. Keep going.
Y'all never asked them?
I know. You're almost there.
Don't touch.
Yep, sit right there. You good to go.
Okay, get the f on.
Listen, be respectful, all right? I'm not that type of dude.
We don't gotta go to jail.
All right, don't go there with me. I'm not that type of dude. All right? All right, don't talk to me like that. All right? You'll find out. I'm telling you now. Can you get out of the road, please? Yeah.
What you want to do? What you want now?
Just go sit down, please.
What you want now?
Just go sit down. You're almost
Wait
done.
on the ride. What you want?
You good now? Thank you.
Exactly. Get the f on.
Yeah, this. Hey, take care. Take care. All right. Take care. We appreciate you.
Yeah, get the f on.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
All right.
Keep going.
Get a hotel. You can take an Uber.
I'm doing it. I'm leaving. I'm going.
Okay.
That's
what we're waiting on. You're gonna end
yeah,
up
so just chill.
No, we don't just chill. We've exhausted a lot of patience with you.
What do you do?
All right, we're gonna ask you.
Can I sit here?
Listen, no, you have to leave.
Oh, okay. So I'm trying to find a way to leave.
But you gotta leave. Go with him and figure it out. You either leave.
I don't know him.
Listen, I'm gonna ask you one more time to leave.
You want to take me to jail?
That's where you're gonna end up going, unfortunately. But you don't have to take that route.
Take me to jail, baby.
You don't have to take that route.
I don't know what else to tell you. I missed my flight, and you're gonna take me to jail.
We tried. We tried. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me try to escort you to TSA to Jamaica.
Yeah, we tried to help you.
How is this better for you, ma'am?
I'm Terminal 3. So I got her. 3 out of 60. Come on.
I'm ready.
Come on.
I'm ready. I'm coming.
Come on.
Shit. I'm walking.
I know. Keep walking. Listen, keep walking. Come on, man. I'm trying to help you out.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Oh, God, another one with the dead weight tantrum. If she starts repeating, well, you gonna drag me? You gonna drag me? You gonna drag me? Like the other one, I'm out. I'm outsies.
Listen. Listen. You end up getting yourself hurt. Don't get yourself hurt.
Don't get yourself hurt.
You're not gonna win this battle. I'm telling you. Huh? What's that? Oh, right there?
Exactly. Doing a lot but nothing.
At least her friend can make her flight still.
Alright, you get your car?
Uh-huh. You a bitch.
Sit down.
Uh-huh. That's what I like.
I told you you ain't gonna win this battle.
Uh-huh. You got your camera footage on?
Yep.
Okay, great.
Lay down, lay down.
I think it's funny in about 6 hours.
You're not gonna win this battle, I keep telling you. Stop.
I don't mind.
You're not gonna win.
It's okay with me.
You're not gonna win.
I know it make you feel good.
You're not gonna win this.
I know it make you feel good, boo.
Right, you're right.
This make you feel good. This make your dick hard.
Ma'am, this isn't that kind of a date.
This make your dick hard, boo. Bum ass dude. You thought you ate.
I feel bad for you.
You thought you ate down.
I feel bad for you.
I feel bad for you. I feel bad for your wife, actually. Cause she'll never be happy with a nigga like you. I feel bad. I feel bad for your family. Now you gotta be recording.
Oh yeah.
Now your camera matters.
Get up.
No. Oh, thank you.
I pull it up.
Gonna take that long?
Gonna hit your head. Stop.
Just my shoes.
Maybe her friend knew that there was nothing she could do. I mean, she knows her better than any of the officers know her. She probably knew this was gonna be the final result anyways.
Watch out.
Huh? Just come with us, 19. Just come with us.
The suspect was charged with disorderly intoxication and resisting arrest and spent a night in jail following her arrest.
Oh my. I like Body Cam Ninja. Body Cam Ninja's a good channel.
Thanks for watching the video. Hit the
Alright, guys. I are tired. No, I don't blame the friend at all either. That officer sure tried. He gave her every opportunity. Every single opportunity. She just couldn't take it. No. 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 I love you guys. Even Mortimer Duke and Jerry. Thank you guys for coming and hanging out with me. This was a blast. Oops! Sorry, I just had to. Oops, I dropped it. Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.